Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can remove any kind of object from your picture and generative fill in the Adobe Firefly. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do simply we need to go to the website of the Adobe Firefly, and then we have to create our account. And after creating the account, we need to go to the option which is called generative fill. So as you can see, as in the generative fill, we have to open that, and then simply we have to upload the image. And after uploading the image, we need to go to the remove section. And after going to the remove section, as you can see, for example, I want to remove this one, so let's click on this. And after clicking on this, as you can see, has an option for the remove. So we have to click on the remove, and it will remove this into seconds. So as you can see how it's going, and it will look like a realistic. So as you can see now, the board is removed and it looks like a realistic. There was no any kind of board, it feels like that. So if you want to keep this, you have to click on the keep. If you want to change the result, you can also do that. As you can see now, this result is provided here. I'm going to click on the keep, and as you can see now, it's realistic. If you want to remove this, you can also do that. Let's click on this, and then we have to click on the remove. And after clicking on the remove, we have to wait for a few seconds again, and it will remove this. And as you can see now, the result is very realistic. Feels like there was no any kind of removed object there. So as you can see, this is also removed. Now if you want to check out the preview, as you can see now, the preview is here. I want this one, so let's click on the keep. So as you can see now, it's removed. So in this way, you can remove any kind of object from your picture on the generative fill of the Adobe Firefly. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.